Food startup Daily Harvest reaching unicorn status after its latest round of funding. The company ships frozen products like smoothies, soups, and plant-based ice cream directly to consumers. Early investors include Gwyneth Paltrow, Serena Williams, and Bobby Flay. Ulta Beauty Executive Chair Mary Dillon recently joined the company's board. She joins us now, along with Daily Harvest CEO Rachel Drori. Lady, it's great to see both of you. Mary, I'm curious, when you stepped down from Ulta as CEO earlier this year, I'm sure you had a lot of solicitations and questions from private companies to join them. Why did you choose Daily Harvest?
Well, listen, I am thrilled to be part of the Daily Harvest journey. Rachel and her team have done an amazing job of creating a company where I think things are just getting started. But I spent the first 25 years of my career in the food industry. And so whether it was, Quaker Oats, Gatorade, McDonald's, working on many great iconic brands. And I'd say we were always looking at how to solve for what consumers want at any given time, the combination of taste and health, convenience and value. And certainly I'd just say those definitions have changed. And what Daily Harvest is bringing is a really new way to get what I think really people want right now, which is easy ways to get organic fruits and vegetables every day through a sustainable supply chain in a way that's very personalized. And so to me, and convenient, I mean, people are not getting less busy, right? So bringing all those together is really a sweet spot. And I just think the future is bright for Daily Harvest, and I'm proud and happy to be part of the team.
So, Rachel, what makes Daily Harvest different than some of the other meal delivery services or kits like a Blue Apron that we've seen hit the market?
Yeah, we're quite different. Our mission is to take care of food so that food can take care of us. And we do that by removing the friction between the intent and the action of eating more fruits and vegetables every day. We know fruits and vegetables are one of the many things, but a really impactful one that can have a major impact on both human and planetary health. So the food that we make comes frozen, delivered to your door, food like smoothies, harvest bowls, even ice cream that is made from organic, unrefined, unprocessed fruits and vegetables and can be made in minutes.
Rachel, those I know that it's very aspirational for a lot of people to have a easy way to consume more of those types of foods. Sometimes cost and convenience or access are the issue here. It seems like convenience and access are something that you've solved for. What about the cost side of things as we keep hearing about what's going on with agricultural goods going up in price?
Yeah, absolutely. We have not seen a rise in prices just yet. We source most of our food domestically, and we work directly with our farmers, so we have a direct supply. As we see things like tractors become more and more unavailable, the chips to power those tractors, we don't know what the downstream effects are, but what is really different about Daily Harvest is that we have a frozen supply chain, which allows us to be not as reactive, and it allows us a lot of agility.
It's an interesting model. Mary, eating at home obviously boomed during the pandemic and has still stayed at relatively high levels, especially with this new hybrid work environment. What's that done for Daily Harvest? And do you think for consumers overall, how has it changed the way we eat?
Right. I mean, everything about the way we live is different. And certainly many folks learned and discovered more things about making food at home out of necessity. Many folks, I discovered Daily Harvest. I fell in love with the brand before I even met Rachel because of the many millennials in my life who were buying a lot of Daily Harvest and learning about it. And so what I'd say is that ordering food online is here to stay. Daily Harvest is in that sweet spot of when you're home at work, or if you need a quick lunch to bring to work or something to make, during the day when you're at work and you want something really convenient but really helpful. Daily Harvest solves the needs for so many people. So I think that, whether you're making food at home or bringing things to work, you're working at home or working at your office, Daily Harvest is a great opportunity to play a role in many people's lives.